guys, what happens when you put a lot of torque to a stock 68 RFE transmission? Well, as you guys just seen, you're gonna break an input shaft. So now we're talking about our C4 HP package. What transmission do we put in it? Let's dive into it. What's up guys, welcome back to the PBP YouTube channel. We got the Built series going on. I've got our 2015 Dodge Cummins truck behind us. Guys, it's gonna be running in one of our C4 HP packages. That's 900 rural horsepower. So on my right, I've got a stock 68 RFE transmission that's in the truck. But we've got a broken one here to my right. We've got the input shaft that has a clean brake on it. What happened to this transmission? Let's take a closer look. So guys, I'll tell you exactly what happened. A 2012 Dodge Cummins with a second gen swap had a 72mm turbocharger on it, 100 over dynamite diesel injectors, dual CP3 pumps. The top pump was a 10mm, a Hamilton 188 220 camshaft, and a customer with a heavy right foot. Guys, this transmission lasted 3 weekends with the customer, and on our part, we think that's pretty impressive. All the modifications that were done to this stock unit was a BD diesel separator plate. The line pressure was bumped up to 250 PSI, and for the most part, 35-inch tall tires are no problem to roll over about 40 to 50 mile an hour in fourth gear. So we're pretty impressed with this stock unit. But now we got to go against something that's going to put up a bigger fight, and that's what we're going to talk about. So join me, let's look at this transmission. Guys, right off the bat, you can tell this dude is not your factory transmission. It's been powder coated by Victor at Black Label Coatings. All right guys, so we started out with a stock 68 RFE transmission, put it on a pallet, shipped it out to our guys over at Revmax. Got in touch with Victor in between that process, said, hey, we want to powder coat this transmission before it goes in that truck. I said, no problem. Victor drove out to Revmax, talked to Tom. Tom instructed him on, hey, what you can and cannot powder coat in this transmission for us to do our job. So Victor took it back to his shop, powder coated this transmission exactly what color we wanted, tailored specifically to us. Got it all the way back to Revmax, got the green check from Tom. Tom then gave it to his technician. They made this transmission their 850 horsepower unit. So guys, what goes into an 850 horsepower unit transmission built by Revmax? Now it comes with a 2-year unlimited mile warranty. Unfortunately for us, we're going to be going over that 850 horsepower mark, so we just got to accept it. Now, what goes into this unit to make it 850 horsepower capable? We've got a different billet input shaft. We've got a different valve body in the transmission. We've got the upgraded clutches paired with a billet triple disc torque converter. Now guys, we're going to throw up a PDF form. Feel free to screenshot that. It's got the full build list there, or you can jump on RevMaxTransmissions.com. You can check out all their builds there, and especially this 850 horsepower capable transmission. Alright guys, so today we went over a Revmax transmission. It's rated for 850 rural horsepower. Keep in mind, we've got our 2015 Dodge Cummins truck behind us. It's getting our C4 HP package rated at 900 rural horsepower. What's that mean? We're going to take that Revmax all the way up to its 850 mark and above. Keep in mind, these are performance transmissions. The kind of power we're going to be throwing at them, they're never meant for 100,000 miles, except that. We just want to avoid broken input shafts and burned up clutches. So guys, we've got engines being built for these trucks. We've got turbo kits on their way. You're going to want to tune in every single Friday. We're dropping new videos on the YouTube channel. Also, jump on our Instagram page. Our customer work has been awesome. The PBP Motorsports page, check it out there. Also, jump on our pointblankperformance.com website. We just added the PBP gear tab. You can shop now. All of our merch is on there. So guys, see you next time on the PBP YouTube channel.